Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone and peace be unto you. Today is a rather unique day because it is clubbed between two very significant days in the UAE. Yes, yesterday being November 30th, the UAE's Commemoration Day, and tomorrow, December 2nd, the UAE's National Day. This is one day not to forget. With the government announcing the 2 day public holiday, the long weekend has kick-started for most of us. With a lot of festivities and events happening all around us, I'm sure this is definitely the time to enjoy. But how many of us really know the significance of these 2 days? We will be giving you the facts. Stay tuned. In 2015, the UAE's president decreed that November 30th will be celebrated as UAE's Martyr's Day, now being called the UAE's Commemoration Day every year. This day is dedicated to recognize the sacrifice and dedication of the Emirati martyrs, honor them, and will be a reminder to their families that UAE has not forgotten their sacrifice. As a sign of respect, the UAE flag will be lowered at 8 am until 11 am and will be followed by a 1 minute silence and supplication from 11:30 to 11:31. The UAE flag will then be raised while the national anthem is being played. This year, in 2018, the UAE's Commemoration Day was celebrated on the 29th as 30th fell on a Friday, which happens to be the government holiday. Going forward, in December 1971, the rulers of the then separate emirates decided and agreed to formulate a notion of a single country, now being called the United Arab Emirates. The UAE flag was then hoisted at the House of the Union, now being called the Etihad Museum. The leaders took an influential decision and elected His Highness Sheikh Zayed, the President of UAE, and His Highness Sheikh Rashid as the Vice President. Since then, December 2nd has been celebrated as UAE's National Day, with festivities happening all across the nation. I'm sure you guys have already planned the whole weekend, but we have highlighted some of the events happening in our description below. And once again, this is me from Explo Dubai signing out. Assalamu alaikum, peace be unto you.